Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study English for the NDA exam. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus, focusing on areas like grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension. Next, dedicate time to mastering basic grammar rules, including parts of speech, tenses, and sentence construction. A solid understanding of these fundamentals is crucial for tackling more complex questions and improving overall language proficiency. To enhance your vocabulary, read newspapers, magazines, and books regularly, noting down new words and their meanings. Practice reading comprehension by analyzing passages and answering questions to improve your understanding and speed. Additionally, familiarize yourself with common idioms and phrases. This will significantly boost your ability to understand nuanced meanings and express yourself more effectively in the exam. Consistent practice is key. Solve previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern and question types. Regularly take full-length mock tests, simulating exam conditions to improve your speed and accuracy. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance, identifying areas where you made mistakes. This targeted approach will help you refine your skills and focus your study efforts effectively. Finally, maintain a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific time slots each day for English. Regular revision of grammar rules and vocabulary is essential to retain what you've learned. Don't forget to manage your time wisely during the exam itself. For more great resources and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check out the description below this video. Good luck with your NDA exam preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.